are fucking helping. You did it. You're helping. You're gonna pick this up one little kernel at a time. And you're gonna like it because I'm fucking fed up with your bullshit. I'm gonna be a horrible father one day because
you working out? Oh, good girl. That's good work.
Hi, sweetie. No, you still that shocked every time he jumps up? Clearly. Sorry.
Open the door or I'm going to throw rocks through your windows, you dumb whore.
No, 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 go back, go back. What are you, no, Gary, God bless you. Stop, you know better. You know better. I love you. I didn't even know you were out. You know not to get on that dock. You'll fall. Come on, buddy. I'll take you in.
Wait for it.
You can't touch this. Can't touch this.
No! What are you doing? Beans! What are you doing? Oh my god! You can't do this! Beans! Idiot! I'll let you in now, God!
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man.